Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series and One UI 8 watch update. Everything you need to know ahead of Galaxy Unpacked NYC 2025. Samsung has yet to officially confirm the date or location of its next major Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event, but signs are pointing clearly toward a summer launch in New York City. While we await the formal announcement, the tech giant has already begun laying the groundwork through clever marketing campaigns and health-focused initiatives. All hints align with a July reveal where Samsung is expected to showcase its highly anticipated Galaxy Watch 8 series, along with new foldable smartphones. Samsung's NYC Health event teases Galaxy Unpacked timing. In a strategic move that cleverly promotes its wearable tech, Samsung has scheduled a health-centric campaign starting July 13th in New York City, collaborating with popular NYC-based running groups, Almost Friday Run Club and Midnight Runners New York. These events are tied directly to Samsung Health, a cornerstone of the Galaxy Watch ecosystem, and serve as a not-so-subtle teaser for the rumored Galaxy Unpacked NYC 2025 event. Participants will experience sponsored races, recovery workshops, and exclusive hands-on time with Galaxy wearables. The campaign emphasizes how Galaxy Watch features like sleep tracking, heart rate variability, and Samsung's Energy Score help users optimize performance and recovery. Each rest station will feature hydration zones and stretching areas, ideal places to test Samsung Health's new functionalities in real time. All signs suggest that this is a clever prelude to the launch of the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup, which is projected to debut during Unpacked in mid-July 2025. Samsung Watch UI upgrade. One UI 8 watch beta brings major health upgrades. Alongside the wearable marketing push, Samsung recently unveiled the One UI 8 watch beta, which brings advanced health features powered by Wear OS 6. This version is currently limited to Galaxy Watch 5 and later models, excluding the popular Galaxy Watch 4 series, a shift that has caught attention among loyal users. The One UI 8 watch update is deeply focused on health optimization, aiming to make Galaxy wearables not just smart but holistic fitness companions. Here's what's new. Small Blue Diamond Bedtime Guidance Tool. Samsung introduces an intelligent sleep coaching assistant that tracks previous sleep trends and recommends an optimized bedtime tailored to your lifestyle. Through adaptive notifications and gentle nudges, it encourages healthier sleep cycles to boost daytime energy and alertness. Small Blue Diamond Vascular Load Monitoring. This innovation evaluates the strain on your vascular system while you sleep. By identifying irregular stress fluctuations during rest, the device can help users understand how recovery is affected and signal areas of concern. Small Blue Diamond Real-Time Running Coach. Users can now access dynamic training programs, created on the fly based on their running performance. The Galaxy Watch will assess your running level, scale 1 to 10, using a 12-minute test, and then recommend a custom regimen for distances like 5K, 10K, half marathon, or full marathon. Small Blue Diamond Antioxidant Index. Bioactive Health Scanning. In what could be a game-changing feature, the Antioxidant Index leverages Samsung's bioactive sensor to measure carotenoids, powerful antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables. It only takes 5 seconds, providing real-time insights on your skin's oxidative stress levels. For instance, after drinking carrot juice or increasing your intake of greens, you can monitor changes in your carotenoid levels. These new labs features, like antioxidant tracking and vascular load, will initially be in beta testing. The bedtime guidance tool requires a minimum of 3 nights of sleep data to deliver personalized insights. Supported devices for One UI 8 Watch Beta. The beta version of One UI 8 Watch is accessible to users based in South Korea and the United States, provided they own any of the following smartwatches. Galaxy Watch 7, upcoming. Galaxy Watch Ultra. Galaxy Watch FE. Galaxy Watch 6. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Galaxy Watch 5. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. As expected, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, slated to be released next month, will ship with One UI 8 watch pre-installed, delivering all these enhanced tools out of the box. Galaxy Watch 8 series. New designs, sizes, and colors leaked. Recent leaks and CAD renders have revealed a radical redesign of the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup. The most notable change: a shift to the Squircle design language, a fusion of circular and square aesthetics, which made its debut on the first-generation Galaxy Watch Ultra. This design evolution suggests Samsung is aiming for a bolder, more angular smartwatch silhouette across all models. According to Android headlines, the entire 2025 smartwatch lineup, including Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch Ultra 2, will embrace this new shape. Small orange diamond Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic. Galaxy Watch 8 will be available in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will stick to a single size option. Both models will adopt the Ultra-inspired Squircle design. Classic model retains its iconic rotating bezel, appealing to longtime fans. Expect colors like black and silver for the Classic and more playful hues for the base model. Small orange diamond Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. The new Watch Ultra 2 is rumored to come in a stunning blue finish, building on the rugged, premium design of its predecessor. While it retains the larger, chunkier form, further enhancements remain under wraps. This model targets outdoor athletes and users seeking ultra-durable smartwatches with advanced fitness tracking. Performance, recovery, and wellness at the core of the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Samsung is placing a renewed focus on user wellness, sleep performance, and lifestyle habits with this latest smartwatch generation. Through seamless integration with Samsung Health and new biometric insights, the Galaxy Watch 8 becomes a real-time health advisor on your wrist. The running level test is particularly innovative. Just run for 12 minutes, and your Galaxy Watch will determine your fitness index from 1 to 10. Based on that, you'll get curated training sessions and can unlock badges and levels for motivation. For those concerned about aging and overall wellness, the antioxidant index is another standout. It evaluates oxidative stress in your body caused by smoking, alcohol, sun exposure, and sleep deprivation, all major accelerators of aging. Using data-driven insights, the Galaxy Watch can help you make better health choices daily. Final thoughts. Big things are coming at Galaxy Unpacked 2025. With all these breadcrumbs, sponsored running events in NYC, One UI 8 beta rollout, and a mountain of design leaks, it's increasingly likely that Galaxy Unpacked 2025 will be hosted in New York City in mid-July. Samsung is expected to introduce Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 8, Classic, and Ultra 2, possibly even the Galaxy Ring, Samsung's rumored health tracking wearable. This massive Unpacked event could redefine Samsung's place in the wearables market as it competes head-to-head with the upcoming Apple Watch Series 10. Stay tuned for more exclusive updates on Samsung's next-gen wearables and mobile devices. Mobile phone, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest on Galaxy Unpacked 2025, and follow us for daily deep dives into smartphone tech, wearables, and smart health innovation.